Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Joanna Brzezińska. Welcome to the second presentation of our catalogue number 35. In today's program, I will tell you about loads of fantastic new products in our flagship NutriGood food supplements line you know well and appreciate. And believe me, there is a lot to talk about. In the catalogue number 35, we introduced 146 premier products in total, including as many as 16 within the NutriCode line and a series inspired by NutriCode, which I am pleased to present to you today. Let's start with a few new food supplements in the NutriCode line with essential nutrients, which means that we must get them. A healthy and balanced diet is the best way to get all the nutrition you need. However, sometimes a supplement can help to boost your intake or help to meet your needs, especially if you have a deficiency. Therefore, first, Magnesium Forte, that provides the body in one capsule with the highest dose of this mineral, best known for being important to our bone health and energy production. However, magnesium may have more benefits than that. It can also calm our nervous system and reduce stress, ease sleep problems, and regulate muscle and nerve function. Magnesium Forte is a unique combination of support for your body, all in one capsule. What more do you need? Second, vitamin D. To get vitamin D the old-fashioned way, by producing it in the skin, we need loads of sunshine. But as work has shifted from the farm to the office, and as we've learned to use sunscreens to reduce the risk of skin cancer and wrinkles, many of us lack the sufficient amounts of the sunshine vitamin. That's when NutriCode Vit D3 capsules come to the rescue. Vitamin D helps our bodies absorb calcium, which is so important for teeth and bone health. It also supports proper muscle and immune system. So choose the best for your body. Choose NutriCode Vit D3 with extremely high dose of this essential nutrient. And there is one more novelty in the series, NutriGold Ashwagandha, with an extract of Withania somnifera, known commonly as Ashwagandha or Indian ginseng, which is a medicinal plant that grows in India, the Middle East, and parts of Africa. It is very helpful in lowering your stress and anxiety levels. It can also make your nervous system strong, fight tiredness, and help you to sleep better. So, if you want to support your body in the fight against stress and feelings of anxiety and fear, choose Ashwagandha food supplement to boost the energy and open your mind for new feelings. Next, we have for you a new complete series of dietary supplements that allow you to regain the life balance, facilitating the proper functioning of your body. In the catalogue number 35, there are as many as 6 new products introduced in the NutriCode Daily Care series, because it's never too late to take care of yourself on a daily basis. That's why we developed 6 more unique products which help to meet your body's needs. First, there is immunity, to provide proper functioning and stronger immune system, especially at this time of year during a period of increased incidence of infections. It contains active plant extracts, for example from Baikal skullcap, vitamin C, combined with natural quercetin, and minerals such as zinc and selenium. Perfect choice for people who want to take care of their health and the health of their loved ones. Benefits: helps in the proper functioning of the immune system, boosts the immune system to protect against viruses, and protect cells against oxidative stress. Second, we have cholesterol, to support your heart with a dedicated dietary supplement and allow you to do more things every day. These little capsules treasure a composition of active substances intended for adults who care about their heart and circulatory system. Benefits: fermented rice extract helps in maintaining normal blood cholesterol levels. Vitamin B1 supports the proper functioning of the heart, while vitamin B12 and folic acid participate in maintaining the proper metabolism of homocysteine. Third, there is hemoglobin. Take this dietary supplement to use the full potential of Mother Nature to boost your body at many levels. to enrich it with many essential micronutrients and key ingredients, especially in conditions of increased demand for iron, for example during intense body growth or a diet containing little amount of it. NutriCode Daily Care Hemoglobin contains organic iron, which facilitates the proper production of red blood cells, herbal extracts, which support the process of absorbing iron from food, and riboflavin, that contributes to the maintenance of normal iron metabolism. Then, we have NutriCode Daily Care Vision. To help your eyes see better, choose Vision Dietary Supplement to protect cells against oxidative stress and contribute to the maintenance of good vision. This product is an abundance of micronutrients, vitamins, provitamins and bioelements. Natural lutein and extract from marigold, zinc and vitamin B support healthy eyes and protect them against the harmful effects of UV radiation and free radicals. And finally, a couple of great dietary supplements. One for a good morning and the other for a good night. Once you get up, take the former to regulate hormonal activity, maintain your physical condition and make you full of vitality. And after a happy and intense day, take the latter and sleep like a baby. NutriCode Good Morning supports the proper functioning of the nervous system during the day. It is a composition of carefully selected microelements, plant extracts, organic magnesium and B vitamins, which helps to maintain normal psychological functions, reduce feelings of tiredness and fatigue, and regulate hormonal activity. Whereas Good Night Dietary Supplement is to improve your quality of sleep by taking care of your nervous system and psychological functions at night. It contains precisely selected doses of micronutrients, the most effective herbal extract, L-tryptophan, magnesium, vitamins B1 and E, all to improve the quality of your sleep. I am a tea lover, and I believe that many of you too enjoy tea breaks in the rush of the day. And why not have our AM or PM cuppa in a herbal way? If you are into herbal teas and blends, there is a treat for you in our latest catalogue. Good Mood Tea Day and Night from the NutriCode line will not only put you in a good mood, but provide all-day comfort. One box contains the set of herbal tea in sachets, 21 for morning and 21 for evening, with ingredients tailored to help your body meet the challenges of everyday life and get a good night's sleep. Good Mood Tea Day is a boost of energy during the day. Contains guarana caffeine, which naturally stimulates you to take action. Ginseng and ginkgo biloba support the circulation, brain function and cognitive abilities, including memory and concentration. Peppermint supports digestive processes and reduces discomfort after eating. Ginger, green tea, rowan and licorice soothe inflammatory reactions, strengthening the immune system. Drink it once a day in the morning after breakfast. And Good Mood Tea Night is a relaxed, sleepy night. Contains lemon balm and lavender, which help you relax and fall asleep gently. Verbena, nettles and fennel help remove unnecessary waste products from the body. Hawthorn supports the cardiovascular system, while hibiscus, chamomile and cistus boost the body's natural immunity. Drink it once daily in the evening before going to bed. There is no disputing the fact that good skin comes from within. I'm sure we can all remember a time during which we've eaten and drunk poorly for a few days. The festive season is but one example, with the effects manifesting on our faces in the form of dullness, dehydration and blemishes. And while consuming a balanced and nutritious diet is essential, sometimes it can be helpful to support what you eat with a skin supplement. Beauty in the pill? Oh yes! This is where Fontana V meets NutriCode. Ladies and gents, let me introduce you to Fontana V Health and Beauty line with 6 fabulous food supplements which complete your nutritional skincare. For starters, Day Skin Spa, a dietary supplement with incredibly effective combination of guava and amla fruit extracts, vitamins, zinc and psyllium to bring out the best of your skin. And it's suitable for vegans. Day Skin Spa is a product created with precious natural essences, vitamins and minerals, which will make your skin soft, fresh, smooth and supple. It is a source of beauty from within, a rich cocktail of ingredients. It supports collagen production and protects cells against free radicals. Next in line we have Fontana V Night Skin Spa, a food supplement for a healthy-looking skin with pomegranate extract, gluten-free wheat extract, vitamins and zinc. At night, your body regenerates after the hardships of everyday life, therefore supported with a unique source of night care and restoration. Valuable essences from nature, vitamins and antioxidants support the natural regeneration of your skin while you sleep. Fontana V Night Skin Spa provides intensive renewal during sleep, restores skin's radiance, improves firmness and reduces wrinkles, contains regenerating, revitalizing pomegranate and wheat extract, and is suitable for vegans. Another new product in the Fontana V Health and Beauty line is Hyaluronic acid, a stunning dietary supplement with hyaluronic acid, vitamins and selenium that perfectly moisturize your skin. This nutri cosmetic has been created to hydrate your skin from within, give it a beautiful tan and improve its elasticity. For it is based on natural hyaluronic acid, it perfectly moisturizes the skin from within and contains vitamin C, E and selenium, which protect the skin against oxidative stress. Another great product I would like to share with you is Fontana V Hello Honey by NutriCode. If you want to boost your immune system, choose this dietary supplement with propolis and meadowsweet extracts, vitamins and zinc. Meadowsweet supports skin health and the correct synthesis of connective tissue. Vitamin C and D, together with zinc, protect cells from oxidative stress. So, do not hesitate. Take everything that life has to offer without worrying about health problems. So, Fontana V Hello Honey is based on propolis and meadowsweet, combination of natural ingredients supporting immunity, and vitamin C, vitamin D and zinc contained in the product support the correct functioning of the immune system. And there are two more special products in the line worth a mention and definitely worth a shot. If you'd like to take care of yourself like never before, try out Body and Mindset for Her or Body and Mindset for Him, which are perfect combination of vitamins and active microingredients for women and men respectively, in one place. For our dear ladies, we have the Shine formula. S like skin and hair, a combination of active ingredients for active support in creating correct structure and pigmentation of the hair, skin and nails. H stands for hemobalance, for support of normal functioning of blood vessels and normal blood cell production. I like inner balance, to maintain our inner hormone balance and thus good mood and energy metabolism. N as in night relax, precisely selected, effective micronutrients, herbal extracts and vitamins supporting the quality of sleep and regeneration. And finally E stands for energy and perception. That is a combination of the most effective extracts, amino acids and nutritional microingredients for mild yet long-lasting stimulation of physical and mental activity. Whereas for our dear gentlemen, we have the Sharp formula. S also like skin and hair, because men need to take care of their hair, skin and nails too. H stands here for Herb Booster. That is a combination of active ingredients focused on libido, physical and mental activity, as well as normal functioning of the muscles and the immune system. A like adaptation, which means a combination of reliable adaptive genes known for their possible effects on both physical and mental functions. R like recovery, carefully selected effective plant-based antioxidants to help gradually restore normal functioning of men's metabolism. And P for perception, that is effective extracts, amino acids and nutrient microingredients focus on supporting normal functions of the brain and the nervous system. Both sets contain 30 packages for a daily dose of the product. So, if you want to change your life, plan your whole month with these functional combinations and see how you achieve more every day. Dear partners, that's all for today. This time you got a solid portion of health and beauty news. So choose the best from the best for your mind and body. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you very soon in the heavenly Maldives. Not only virtual on the screen, but also see you live there.